Alright guys, and this is your completed look, and I thank you guys so much for tuning in with me today. I went through a lot of changes with this eye look. I didn't really have in mind what I wanted to do, so I hope you guys don't mind me playing around a little bit. The foundation that I have on will be in a Foundation Friday coming up, so you guys just tune in on Fridays. Every Friday I usually have a new foundation, or at least I'm talking about a foundation and a primer or something with skin, so you guys come on over on Foundation Friday. And that's about it. These lovely lashes, before I forget, were given to me by Velvet 59. I did show it to you in the video. I want to show it to you guys again. These are vegan, cruelty-free, makeup artist approved. They say that you could get at least 20 to 25 wears out of these lashes, and they are absolutely gorgeous. So you guys check them out. I'm going to leave a link for them down below. Beautiful luxury vegan lashes. Okay, so if you're not into hurting the fur babies, go on ahead and get you some Velvet 59 lashes. So I just want to thank the company for sending these out to me. And that's it. Cyber kisses.